Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good, very good.
Thank you. Sit down, please. Okay, students, look around the class and please find noticing unusual or strange. What have you seen?
We have strange pictures.
Strange pictures. Okay.
Flowers or photos?
Yes, of course. What else?
Is it a scary photo?
Scary photos. Okay, thank you. You are right. In our class, we have some pictures about hobbies and stress. Okay, today's new SEM hour. The SEM is analyzing and describing frightening situations. Today's lesson's objectives is, please look at the blackboard. Explain and justify their own and others' point of view on a range of general and curricular topics. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and sentences to talk about a range of general and curricular topics. And at the end is understand main points in extended text on a range of unfamiliar general and curricular topics. Okay? Do you know top 5 most common hobbies?
Yeah.
What else? What is?
Glossophobia.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And then? Aerophobia. And then?
Arachnophobia.
Xanthophobia. Okay. Over 75% of people have one of these hobbies. Which do you think is the #1 hobby worldwide? How do you think? The first. Maybe. Okay. At moment, do you know what is the hobby is? Like at moment, please. I divided you 3 groups. Okay. The first group. Okay. The second and the third group. Your task. Read the text. Read the text. You have 2 minutes. Then retell the story for the other students in your group. You have 1 minute. Every task have description and then you have peer assessment. Think about ways in which you could help to overcome their fears. 3 minutes and choose the best solution for each situations. Okay? Right. Please look at the texts. The first group for you, please text. My hobby is ruining my life. Work in groups, please. The second, this is getting out of hand. And the third group for you is the text. It's controlling my life. Please, the first. Norbert?
Okay. My phobia is ruining my life. My phobia is ruining my life. I know it's irrational, illogical, and I need to get over it. But I can't. I go into cold sweats when I think about it. I have to give presentation in front of 50 people at work. I can't get out of it, and I'm seriously considering pulling a sickie. It's not just that I'm nervous. I'm 45. My whole body almost shuts down. My throat gets dry and I stutter when I try to speak. What should I do?
Okay.
My advice is he should start a presentation and step by step get more people. We hope that he will win this hobby.
My advice: he should do more practice for presentation. Okay, let's go.
Okay, thank you.
You won't have to face your fear alone. Focus on other people instead of your feelings. Can you help?
We should try to talk about this with our friends and with doctors.
Okay, thank you. Enough.